Brace yourselves. Concrete that can heal its own cracks within days will rewrite how cities grow, from sidewalks to skyscrapers. Inside, microscopic capsules burst when stress rises, releasing restorative agents that fill fissures and restore strength without manual repair. The result is longer-lasting infrastructure, dramatically fewer road closures, lower maintenance bills, and safer journeys for commuters. As these surfaces respond to weather and load, daily life feels smoother with quieter streets, reliable bridges, and predictable utility networks. So will your next building embrace living cement and reshape urban resilience for generations to come.